In today's video I will show you how to embed YouTube player view without a web view like the actual YouTube player inside your Flutter application without any third-party libraries. So first of all I will show you guys the output. So this is the output for Android, I guess. No, I think this is for iOS. So here you can see that I am able to do all kind of stuff, and this is for Android. So here you can see, like I will just scroll this up. So here you can see like this is for Android. So yeah, let's get started. So I have created a Flutter project. Next what I have to do is that for now I have just added this URL launcher dependency. Like you really don't need this dependency, but why I added it, because I wanted this pod file to be generated for iOS. In new versions of Flutter, this pod file is not automatically generated. I am not sure if pod init will do the trick for you, because there is all this boilerplate code which needs to be present. That's why I just added a dependency in pubspec.yaml to generate that file automatically. But you don't need to add this to your project, but I just want to generate this pod file. Next, go inside your lib main.dart, and here I have just changed my homepage widget to include my player view. Next, inside my player view, what I have done is that I have created a stateful widget. For Android I am showing an Android view, for iOS I am showing a UI kit view. Okay, that's it, and this is the name for my player view. Next what I have done is go to your Android folder, go to app src build.gradle, and inside build.gradle you will need to add this dependency. So this will handle YouTube player view for us. Next, go to main Android manifest. I don't think we require the internet permission, but anyways if you want to add it you can. I think the internet permission is internally handled by the YouTube player view. Next, go to main activity.kt, and here you will have to override this method as well as register your player view. So here I have passed the string for it. Next, I have created this factory class, like this is boilerplate class which you have to write for every native view. Next, I have created my player view.kt, and here you can see that first I have taken a linear layout, then I have taken YouTube player view. I have initialized both of them and set the layout params of our linear layout. Then I have taken the YouTube player view and initialize it and add it to our linear layout. Then you will have to add this observer to your YouTube player view, because it is a heavy object and it takes some time to initialize it. And once it is ready, you can just pass the YouTube ID for whatever video you want to play and just call this. Now how to get this YouTube ID? So to get this, you can just open any YouTube video, and whatever you see after the equal to sign is your YouTube ID. So that's how you can use it. So that's it for Android. For iOS, go to pod file, and first of all you will need to add this pod. Once you do that, just run pod install. Okay, and it will include all sorts of dependencies. Then go to runner app delegate.swift, and here we will first have to register our view. So this name should be same as what you have used on the Dart side. Next, create this file, this factory class first, and this is like a boilerplate code which you have to write for any kind of a native view for iOS. And next, we have created our player view. First of all you will have to import this. Next, I have created a view. Once the view is initialized, I am initializing our YouTube player view, and this is like NS layout constraints as well as this is NS layout constraints, and I am adding it as a subview to our view, and then just passing the YouTube ID. So yeah, that's it. One more thing which I want to tell you guys is, for Android, go to build.gradle, and also make sure the min HDK version is 23 at least. I think 21 should work as well, but I have kept it as 23. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.